Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To install pyodbc using pip, you may encounter an error if the necessary dependencies are not present on your system. Here is an informative tutorial on how to troubleshoot and resolve the error when running pip install pyodbc in Python. Step 1, verify dependencies. Before installing pyodbc, make sure you have the necessary dependencies installed on your system. Pyodbc requires the odbc driver manager and an odbc driver for the database you want to connect to. For example, if you are connecting to a Microsoft SQL Server database, you need to have the appropriate odbc driver installed. Step 2, install dependencies. If you haven't already installed the required dependencies, do so before installing pyodbc. You can find the appropriate odbc driver for your database and install it following the instructions provided by the driver's documentation. Step 3, install pyodbc. Once you have verified and installed the necessary dependencies, you can proceed to install pyodbc using pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Step 4, troubleshooting. If you encounter an error while running pip install pyodbc, it may be due to a variety of reasons such as missing dependencies, incompatible versions, or permission issues. Here are some common issues and their solutions. 1. Permission denied. If you are facing permission issues, try running the command with administrative privileges using sudo, for Unix-based systems, or running the command prompt as an administrator, for Windows. 2. Incompatible versions. Ensure that you are using a compatible version of pyodbc with your Python interpreter. Check the documentation for version compatibility details. 3. Missing dependencies. Double-check that all required dependencies, including the odbc driver and driver manager, are correctly installed on your system. Step 5, example. Here is an example of installing pyodbc using pip. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined above, you should be able to successfully install pyodbc in Python without encountering errors. Remember to verify dependencies, troubleshoot any issues that arise, and refer to the documentation for further assistance.